Welcome to the with me POCO C40, and I'll show you how to turn off always on display feature on this device. So let's just first unlock our phone, and now we should launch the Muviz Edge application. Now we should tap here to the settings, to always on display settings section, and to turn off this feature we should click once on the switcher. Now here all of the options they are blocked, and when we will lock the device we can see that the always on display feature successfully turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.